for the damn video. Is it gonna start?
News of the day. Legendary for its dry, uninhabited lands, the Southwest presents a monumental challenge to farmers and settlers alike. The only abundant supply of water in the region is the mighty Colorado River. Its volatile flow swings from devastating drought to severe flood, wreaking havoc throughout the land. If California's Imperial Valley is to bear crops, and the burgeoning cities of Los Angeles, Phoenix, and Las Vegas are to expand, then the river must be tamed and its water stored. The means? A large dam. However, since the river passes through 7 different states, no one of them can authorize its construction. For that, it literally takes an act of Congress, the Boulder Canyon Project Act.
Be it enacted by the Senate and House of Representatives of the United States of America in Congress assembled, that for the purpose of controlling the floods, regulating the flow of the Colorado River, providing for the delivery of the stored waters thereof for reclamation of public lands, and for the generation of electrical energy, the Secretary of the Interior is hereby authorized to construct, operate, and maintain a dam in the main stream of the Colorado River.
This is the site in the Black Canyon of the dam. Rather, it will be about 575 feet above the river at this point.
Listen up. My name's Frank Crow, the super on this project. This is the spot where we're going to build. As you can see, it's 30 miles from nowhere, and it's surrounded by 1,000-foot cliffs of solid rock. Now, I won't kid you, it's not gonna be easy, but we're not here for easy. We're here to build the biggest dam the world has ever seen. See these cliffs? We gotta blast and pry off all the loose, cracked rocks so it's smooth enough to form a good seal with the dam.
You've gotta be kidding.
That's why they call us high scalers, kid. And by the way, hold on tight, because it's 700 feet to the bottom, and I don't recommend the ride. The walls of the canyon are ready to take concrete, Mr. Crow. Great. Before we start pouring concrete, there's just one little thing we've got to do.
Yeah? What's that?
Move the river. Let's get those jumbos rolling! The river has to go around the construction site. We're blasting out 4 big tunnels, 5 stories high, right through solid rock. He's got 30 of us up here against the rock at once. This shot makes it a ton of dynamite we've used so far. Watch for falling rocks. We've already lost 2 men this month. Let's get this debris mucked out.
There's 1.5 million cubic yards of rubble to move, and it takes a lot of trucks to move it. Old Hurry Up Pro has so many, everyone's choking on the exhaust. I'd like to see him drive one of these rigs.
All right, this is it. Open the tunnels. All right, I moved the river. Now build me a dam. There's 10 cableways that stretch across the canyon. Every piece of equipment you see down there, and every man for that matter, got there on one of them. Now, our big job is moving concrete. 6.6 million tons of the stuff. And you want to know the kicker? I can't even see half the site. It's all hand signals from the ground.
Bucket coming down!
Down here is where the real work happens. Pouring concrete.
And watch your head. A bucket lands down here every 78 seconds, and they don't always get those hand signals straight.
And while you're looking up, make sure you're looking down, too, because there can't be any voids in the concrete. I don't think Mr. Crow would like it if his dam sprang a leak.
The whole thing's gonna be 726 feet high, but Crow has it all worked out in sections, 5 feet deep. Now, we can't pour it all in one big piece, because the concrete heats up as it cures. The whole thing would take about 125 years to cool off.
The price tag for this project? $165 million. Those 4 little intake towers and that powerhouse may not look like much next to the dam, but they're gonna pay for it all. With electricity.
You ready to see if this thing holds water, Mr. Crow?
Yeah. Close the tunnels.
It cost the lives of over 100 good men. And of course, the river would never be wild again. But when it was all done, folks were calling it the 8th wonder of the world. And no one that was there on September 30th, 1935 doubted it for a second. A crowd of 20,000 stood in the blazing sun to see President Roosevelt dedicate that dam we built.
I have the right once more to congratulate you who have builded Boulder Dam, and on behalf of the nation, to say to you, well done.
For the first time in history, the Colorado River is under man's control.
None of us who worked on Boulder, or Hoover Dam as they call it now, and were surprised that Hurry Up Crow lived up to his nickname. We completed that dam 2 years ahead of schedule.
From hydroelectric energy to agriculture, from recreation to quenching thirsty communities, Hoover Dam was, and still is, one of America's great success stories. Yet, as Las Vegas continues to grow, not even this mighty dam will be able to provide us with enough water. Today's challenge is to find more water and conserve what we've got.